We will study today about network standardization. You know, standardization is done to increase acceptability so that anything can be accepted, can be used, applied anywhere. Not like that, suppose you are purchasing something from Raipur, then it cannot be used in other place. For example, you might have seen the plugs, electrical plugs, 5 ampere plug and 15 ampere plug, thicker one, bigger one. So suppose you purchase 5 ampere plug in from any part of India, then it you can carry it and you can use it in any part of India or rather in world also. Similarly, 15 ampere plug also, except few countries like Japan, where some other standards are there. I had gone to Japan, then there our mobile charger was not getting charged because the pins were not getting fitted into their sockets, and there was a big problem for me how to charge my mobile and then how to talk in my house, etc. So otherwise, except Japan and few more countries, everywhere these standards are adopted for pin dimension in 5 ampere, 15 ampere plug. Similarly, uh, railway track. So spacing between the railway lines is also fixed. Nut bolt screw size is also fixed. So there are various agencies who make standards. In India, it is Bureau of Indian Standards, BIS, ISI, etc. For making standards, manufacturers, academicians, R&D experts sit together and they, uh, after doing some consultation, discussion, etc., they chalk out some standards. At international level, ISO, ITU, IEEE, various agencies and standardizing bodies are there. In relation to our computer network particularly, I am taking name of ISO, ITU, IEEE. So before coming on ISO, ITU, IEEE, we will go afterwards. But there are two types of standard. One is called de facto, that means by fact. Facto means fact, by fact, in a non-planned manner. Standards are made automatically without any planning, and people used to adopt certain things. That is called de facto standard. De jure means that is adopted by law or framed by law legally. Jury. Jury word is a French word. De facto is also a French word. And de jure means from jury. Jury means judges. So certain people sit together and they form certain standards. For example, what will be the dimension of that means length and diameter of 5 ampere plug, 15 ampere plug, etc. So now I think the difference between de facto and de jure is clear to you. De facto means standards are made by fact, and de jure means standards are made by law after certain discussions. So ISO, IEEE, ITU are the three standardizing bodies. In computer network field, you can say more are also there, but these are the three mains. ISO has developed OSI reference model. We will see study it after. And ISO, you cannot suppose that ISO develops only has developed only OSI. ISO has given a standard for nut, bolt, garments, etc. Also, for a large number of things, ISO has developed standards, and computer network is one of that. So, OSI reference model that we will study afterwards, that is the very significant contribution of ISO. Similarly, IEEE is there, International Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers. This is the full form, and IEEE journals are very famous all over the world, and they are supposed to be number one journal in the field of electrical, electronics engineering, computer science, etc. Similarly, various reputed important conferences are organized by IEEE. So IEEE has given standards for LAN, MAN, Ethernet, etc. ITU is another agency for making standards. ITU, International Telecommunication Union. So ITU has three wings: R, ITU-R, ITU-T, ITU-D. Okay. So ITU-R means recommendation sector, ITU-T means telecommunication sector, and ITU-D means development sector. So ITU-T means old name of this is CCITT. What is the full form of CCITT? CCITT is a French word and it is very difficult to take, that means pronounce it or read it or write it. We people cannot understand, so I am not telling the full form of CCITT. Only thing you can understand or listen or memorize that CCITT is the old name of ITU-T. So ITU, International Telecommunication Union, was formed on 17th May 1865. These are the years. ISO was formed in 1947. IEEE was formed in 1963. ITU was formed in 1865. ITU framed rules, regulations, and protocols which we will study. ITU created CCITT in 1956. Same thing. ITU-T, old name of it is CCITT. Same thing is written. ITU, not ITU-R. ITU created CCITT in 1956 and CCITT was renamed as ITU-T in 1993. Okay, CCITT, same thing is written. ITU-T, old name is CCITT. Same thing is here. Here, CCITT was renamed as ITU-T in 1993. Okay, thank you. देखिए खत्म हो रहा है, टाइम खत्म हो रहा है. आप लोग लिख दीजिएगा कि समझ में आया कि नहीं आया. आज की क्लास को सीखती है. कल हम लोग मिलेंगे 11:30 बजे. ठीक है, मीटिंग एंड करें. टाइम खत्म हो रहा है. मीटिंग अगर खत्म हो जाएगी जल्दी तो आप लोग लॉग आउट कर सकते हैं. 40 मिनट में जूम खत्म हो जाता है. ठीक है, समझ में आया? लेक्चर समझ में आया? ये आपके फर्स्ट यूनिट का है. फर्स्ट यूनिट में आप देख सकते हैं स्टैंडर्ड्स लिखा हुआ है. अच्छा, अटेंडेंस. आप लोग अटेंडेंस तो दे दीजिए जल्दी से. कितने लोग हैं भाई? मैं देख लेता हूँ. अटेंडेंस अटेंडेंस. टाइम खत्म हो रहा है. आप लोग में से कोई एक नोट कर ले जितने भी पार्टिसिपेंट हैं. Implementing 8 participants are here. कौन कौन है? मेघा, मेघा साहू, नैन्सी, राठौर, शशि, विनोद. ये लोग हैं. ठीक है, कल फुल स्ट्रेंथ में आइए आप सभी लोग. सभी लोग अटेंड करिए क्लास. विनोद साहू। आप लोग की आवाज क्यों नहीं आ रही है? आप लोग अनम्यूट करिए अपना, सब लोग अनम्यूट करो भाई थोड़ी देर, थोड़ा सा ऑन करो वीडियो वॉइस सब ऑन करो।
यस सर।
देखते हैं बात हो रही है कि नहीं। हाँ बोलो भाई, शशि कुछ बोलो।
यस सर।
आवाज नहीं आ रही है लेकिन इधर पता नहीं क्या बात है, आवाज क्यों नहीं पहुंच रही है। अच्छा मैं देखता हूँ मेरा तो वॉइस ठीक है ना, एक मिनट मैं वॉइस चेक कर रहा हूँ। हेलो, हाँ बोलो कुछ।
यस सर।
हाँ
आवाज आ
हाँ,
सर
मैं वॉइस ना इसलिए। हाँ हाँ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है,
यस सर।
फर्स्ट क्लास कम्युनिकेशन है वो मेरा। उसको सुनाई दे रहा है मेरे को। तुम लोग की आवाज आ रही है? हेलो,
जी सर। यस
हाँ
सर, ऑल गुड।
यस
हेलो।
ओके सर।
हाँ ठीक है, क्लियर हो गया, आज की क्लास समझ में आ गई।
सर।
यस सर।
यस यस सर।
चलिए फर्स्ट यूनिट का था, ठीक है, नेटवर्क स्टैंडर्ड। तो अब फर्स्ट यूनिट में हम लोग अगला कल पढ़ेंगे 11:30 बजे, हम लोग पढ़ेंगे कॉन्फ़िगरेशन के बारे में, ठीक है।
ओके सर।
हाँ हाँ
ठीक है सर।
ठीक है, ओके
ओके सर।
ओके, थैंक यू। ठीक,
थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सर।